Now let's find the derivative or fourth derivative of h of x, starting with h prime of x. Let's use the power rule to find the derivative of each term and simplifying our function. And now let's find the second derivative of h of x. Now 12x raised to 0 is equals 12 times 1. That's why the derivative of constant is going to equal to 0. And our function is getting smaller, and now h triple prime. And for the fourth derivative, we'll have, so the fourth derivative of h of x is 2,520x to the third power minus 144. Now see if you can find the fourth derivative of v of t. O, diba? Andali lang. Write your answer down below. This is Dr. E, and see you next time. Bye!